A quick video of how to create or add a user in Kali Linux. Open terminal, type in add user -- home space / and one more /, and then you can choose whatever username you want, and choose an add user boot, and you can choose a password. I tried not to choose a password, but it didn't work. You have to choose a password to log into your user account. And then you type in your full name. Room number, work, phone number, home number, you don't really need it. Just press enter, enter, enter. Yes, this information is correct. Enter, new user created. All you have to do, log back out and log back in to the new user you have just created. Thanks for watching.